Hi everyone, Mata here. Today we'll be making yam porridge. And to begin with, this is not your regular yam porridge. Yes, I said so. I'll be showing you a different and absolutely completely sweet method to also make that yam porridge, and in a healthy or in a healthier way. This method is completely beautiful and it's more healthy, trust me, because we're going to involve some vegetables and very healthy recipes. Stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. After dicing my yam, I'll just go ahead and wash my ugu or my vegetable. You can use any vegetable for this, but specifically I'm going to use ugu for this. And you know how it goes. I like to wash my vegetables 3 to 4 times before I move ahead into the next level. This is so because you want to make sure that you got rid of any dirt inside the vegetable, because most of the times we get it fresh from the farm and you want to just be sure that it's sparkling clean before you move ahead. I'll be leaving this inside the basket, and you see the way I placed it. That's how you're supposed to do it, so that any tiny water from the vegetable can be going out. You don't want much water. And for our yam, I'm done dicing it and I'm done washing it as well, and this is the portion I'll be cooking for today. So make sure you dice the yam properly and get rid of the water and leave it like this. I'll be making use of this fresh pepper. This is frozen fresh pepper, so I'll just go ahead and use my mortar to dice that. And I'll be making use of that cube of Maggi, and that's my crayfish, and this is my small salt. And of course, you know I'm a lover of onions. Gege. We'll be using enough onions. I love onions. Yes, guys. First off, I'll just I've already boiled my water while I was preparing. I've boiled it inside my kettle, and I'm just going to go ahead and just pour this water inside my pot. I did that to save my time, just because no need to just while I was dicing and preparing the whole thing, it was just ideal to get my water ready as well. You can see that it's boiling already, so make sure that your water is boiling before you go ahead to move to the next level. I'll just go ahead and pour my diced yam inside my boiling water. Be careful so you don't spill that hot water on your hands. And after that, I'll just add my salt. You can see the quantity of salt I used, so which means while I'll be finishing up my porridge, I'm going to just make use of a little salt, just very tiny portion. Now you cover this and allow it to boil for let's say 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, because I diced my yam very little, so I diced it in very tiny portions. And I just go ahead and just take one and check it out. Make sure you put it inside the cold water and allow it to cool off a little before you try it out, so you don't burn your tongue. Now this is what it looks like, and our yam is ready. So I think dicing it very tiny works better for me most of the times, because it's very fast. And I'll just go straight ahead and just open it up, and we're going to now pour this inside the basket so that we can move on to the next level. Now this is me pouring into my basket because I want to get rid of the water, and also I'll be making use of that same pot to make our porridge. Just stay tuned, guys. If you don't subscribe to this channel, please do, so you don't miss a lot. Honestly, you're going to be learning a lot from this channel. So I'm going to leave this yam like this, the way it is inside that basket, so that the water will be going out from that basket, just that same way we did with our vegetable. That's the same way you do with your yam. Now I just went ahead and put that pot on the gas, and this is our palm oil. I'm making use of palm oil for this. Like I always say, whenever you're making use of palm oil, groundnut oil, or olive oil, whatever oil, you're not supposed to just rush and just pour. Make sure that as you're pouring, you're checking, so that you not have excess, and also you not have it in small quantity. The essence of all this is to have moderation, so I just went ahead to make sure that if that was enough for me, and if it's not enough, I'll just go straight ahead and just add up. Now I'll just add a little bit more after looking at my yam. And mind you, when you're doing this method, because we're making use of vegetables, so it's normal for you to consume a little bit more oil or more red oil than you consume on the norms. I'll just go straight ahead and pour that onions. You can see the way my onions is in chunks. That's how I love it. And I'll just go straight ahead and just stir, and I'll just leave this for, let's just say, I'm not going to leave it for long. Let's just say a minute. Yes, a minute 60 seconds, and we'll move to the next. So this is my seasoning, this is my Maggi. I'll just go straight ahead and I put that inside. I already blended that out, and I'll just dice, and I'll just stir just for like 20 seconds, and I'll just go straight ahead and put my blended crayfish. And again, whenever you put anything, you stir before going into the next method. That's my blended crayfish, and crayfish also plays vital roles when it comes to dishes like this. Now this is my salt. I'll just go straight ahead and just put this small salt, because we already have salt going on in our yam, and that was completely moderate for it, so I'll just use very tiny bit here and just stir. Like I said, don't allow the gas to be on high pressure. You can keep it as calm as you can, because the aim is not to make it over fry. And I'll just go straight ahead and put my blended pepper. Please feel free to add more pepper if you want to. Now after letting that sit for like 20-30 seconds, I'll just go straight ahead and put my vegetables inside. Yes, like I said, you don't allow your gas to be on a high. Just keep it as low as you can, not too low, but I mean, let it just be moderate. Just go straight ahead and put my vegetables and inside my porridge sauce. And I'll just go ahead and stir. Just make sure you stir it properly. Just take your time and stir it properly. Just go straight ahead and just add a little bit more. You can see the way I created space in the middle so that the heat can do its thing, and I can just blend it together. Always make sure you place it in the middle so that the heat can really do its thing, dissolve it properly before you blend it together with your vegetable. When making use of oil, I don't like to rush. I just like to take my time and make sure it's in moderation, and this is perfect for what I want to achieve for the day. After letting that sit for like 10 seconds, 10 to 50 seconds, we'll just go straight ahead and put our boiled yam. And after putting our boiled yam, I made sure that I put that gas completely on a low, like the heat was completely low. So because I had a tripod in front of me, I couldn't stir properly, so I had to just shift it, and that's why I had to stir off camera. But you see the way it turned out to be. This is absolutely beautiful. The only thing you do, just stir up properly, and when you're done stirring, you can try it and test it out. If the salt or the Maggi is not enough, you can go straight ahead and add it up a little. Trust me guys, this is absolutely tasty and beautiful and so healthy. Just imagine the crunchy feel of the veggie. The veggie just have, that's why I said you have to put it on low heat, so imagine the crunchy feel with the boiled yam. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this very beautiful crunchy method. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notification. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.